How to get dual apps on Android. Getting dual apps on Android is quite easy and simple. You have to follow all the steps one by one till the end of the video. Without much delay, let's dive right into the video. Suppose, for example, if you want to get dual apps for WhatsApp, open the settings on your device. You can either scroll down and search for the dual apps, or you can tap search icon or bar at top of the screen. Search for dual, or you can search for the clone apps. If you find dual apps, then you can tap on it, or if you can type in cloner and you will see app cloner app, then you can open it. Both will take you to the same page and both works in the same way. Here are the recommended apps under which you will see WhatsApp. If you don't find under recommended, you may find under other. Let's open it. And you need to tap or toggle on the button to create app clone. Once you toggle on the button, you will easily get dual apps on your Android. That's it. That's how we easily get dual apps or make dual apps on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.